Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can open the Chase bank account. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get it started. What you need to do is you need to open up any web browser on your device and you need to search for Open Chase bank account, and you'll be up here on this page where on the results section you will find how to open a checking account, a step-by-step guide. So you need to click on this first link and you'll be access to this page where you need to scroll down until and unless you don't find a checking account here. Simply you need to click on it. You'll be access to this page where different kinds of account you need to choose according to your preference. Here is Chase Total Checking Account, Chase Secure Banking, Chase Premier Plus Checking Account. So according to your preference, you need to choose any one of them. So once you choose and click on open now, you will be access to this page where you need to add all your prompts one by one. Here you need to enter your informations here. So on the first it is said you will need your SSN and driver license or state ID. In next, it is asked set up your account preference. On third, it is asked start using your new account. So, and on the button, it is asked are you a Chase customer? If you aren't, then simply you need to click on no. And scroll down, here is the next button. Simply you need to click on next, and you will be appear here where you need to enter your first name, your middle name, last name, and suffix. It's optional. So it is asked tell us your full legal name as it appears on your government ID. So once you entered your first, last, and the middle name, you need to click on next, and you will be appear in this page where you need to enter your date of birth, your month, date, and year. So you have to be at least 18 years to open this account. Let me enter my date of birth here. And once you have entered your date of birth, simply you need to click on next. Enter your email address and mobile number. So here, what's your home address? You need to enter your street address, zip code, city. So once you have entered all the prompts like this one by one on the every pages like this, you will be asked for the information and you need to fill up all the information needed to open the account. And once you are done with filling all the information, then you can easily open up the Chase bank account. So if you like this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for the more videos on the channel. Thank you.